Hi, my name is Trevor, Director of Manufacturing for Althea. I'm in charge of the processing and manufacturing of medicinal products using cannabis. Here at Althea, we harvest the plants and try and protect all of the medicinal value that is present in it. That begins with a state-of-the-art drying process, followed by a CO2 extraction process, refinement, formulation, and then ultimately ends with the product out the door. We're committed to creating a pharmaceutical-grade GMP facility, utilizing state-of-the-art data tracking systems to implement repeatability in all of our products that head out the door. The way in which we do that is through a number of strategies, utilizing analytical implementation within the facility so we can utilize data to be able to move forward with our formulations and feedback loops. I'm passionate about medicinal cannabis because of the value it adds to society and as an alternative medicine choice for people.